Hi friends, here we have to simplify this ratio. Let's see how. A square minus b square by ab minus ab minus b square by ab minus a square. Here we can take b common, here we can take a common like this. Right. Once we take b common here, b into a minus b, similarly a into b minus a. Right. We have a minus b and b minus a. One of them we can take it outside so that both will cancel. A minus b by b minus c is equal to minus 1, right? Then minus 1 into minus b by a, which becomes plus b by a. A square minus b square by ab plus b by a. Right? Here this will become a square minus b square by ab minus a minus b by b minus a is minus 1. So minus into minus 1 will become plus 1 plus b by a. Right. Now taking AB and A, taking these two things common, uh, it will become AB, then A square minus B square plus B square. Right? If you take LCM of AB and A, we'll get AB. Right? That's why we have to multiply this with B. A square minus B square by B square. This will become A square by AB. Right? Is equal to A square by AB, which becomes A by B. That is our answer. Right. This is such a nice simple ratio A by B written in a complex form. Right, guys. Thank you.